What is up, everybody? Welcome to another video of Chilling with Chen. I'm Chen and I hope you're chilling. And today we have a quick look at an AUKEY USB C PD charger with 18 watts of power delivery 3.0. So this is an ultra compact USB-C wall charger, and this is compatible with the Pixel 2, 2XL, LG, Huawei, and more. And this, we got the black one here. Shout out to AUKEY for sending this to us to look at. So we're going to quickly do an unboxing to quickly tell you what's in here. And since there's not a lot, really much in here, I'll explain in a minute. So all you have is the AUKEY charger, PD charger. Plugs right into the wall, like how you could flip this out, plug it right in. And you have, that's pretty much it. And you have the product 24-month product warranty, and you have the manual here, user manual, and that's it. So it is, I don't know if you could see that, but the inside is green. Cool. So that's all that it's in there. It doesn't come with a USB-C cable. You're gonna have to provide that on your own, and at the time of this recording, the price of this device is $17. So I am going on a trip today, and I'm going to be taking this and using it for 2 to 3 days and charging my Pixel. I'm going to try to charge some other devices that have USB Type-C. And I'm going to come back and put the review at the end of this video. All right, guys? So this is pretty much the device that we're going to review. This is a quick look at it. To give a little bit of more information about this is a USB-C wall charger, and it packs a total of 18 watts of power into its compact form. It also features a foldable plug for easily portability and storage. Keep your devices charged at home, in the office, or on the go. I'm going to go ahead and what I'm going to do is go ahead and pack it with my stuff today, and I'll be back in a few days, and I'll add the review to the end of this video on how it charged. Alright, so we're back from our trip, and we went ahead and brought this little bad boy with us. Again, this is all that came in the box. I do wish, there's still plastic on it, it's not scratched. I do wish that it did come with a cable. However, I have plenty of them, so I guess that's not really that big of a con about this device. The AUKEY USB C charger, this has 18 watts of power delivery, and oops, it really does show. You can see, so just to tell you how I used it on the trip. Now, my hotel had USB outlets, but as a true product tester that I am, I went ahead and I didn't even use those. I plugged this right in, and this is so compact. It fit in my travel bag really, really easy. And you just pop this out. I plugged it into the wall, and I was able to charge my Pixel 2 XL. I was also able to charge my MacBook Pro. Now, they do not charge as fast as the devices, as the charging blocks and cables that the original devices came with. However, this device it wasn't slow at all. The way I charge my devices is I plug them in, I leave them alone, and I go and I do other things, and I come back to charge it. That's what I did here, and to my surprise, this thing had no problem charging both of those things. Again, it doesn't charge it at the speed of the original devices that it came with. It's a little slower, but I wasn't waiting forever to get my phone back or my laptop charged. So it is able to charge my MacBook Pro completely to 100, and the same from my Pixel 2 XL, down from like 20-30%, and it did it in a reasonable amount of time. It didn't feel as it was taking forever at all. So it was really fast, nice charging. This device, it's just perfect for travel. You can also use it at home if you'd like, or keep it around for a friend that comes by that needs to charge. And that's what I started using this for as well. I leave one charger downstairs, which is this one, and then the rest of them are, where I charge my other devices. And if someone's over and needs to charge, boom, they use this. Or I charge something with this while I'm in that room. So it does have fast charging supported for iPhones when used with the original Apple USB C Lightning cable. This again does not charge Nintendo Switches at full speed. it charged mine at full. If that is my quick look at and review of the AUKEY USB C charger. It's 18 watts of power delivery, 3.0, super compact, compatible with all your USB C devices. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because more coming.